What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a studio condenser USB microphone. So this was sent out to me by a company called FIFINE. So a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. This is the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone, computer PC microphone kit with adjustable scissor arm, stand shock mount for instruments, voiceovers, recording, podcasting, YouTube, karaoke, gaming, and streaming. This is the T669 model, and here's a picture of it right here. So some of the features and details about this microphone. This features a USB output, has excellent sound quality, has a durable arm set, easy to attach. And what's included with this, you're going to get the scissor arm, which is made out of all steel, sturdy and durable, a studio grade shock mount, a double pop filter, premium 9.8 feet USB cable, and a bonus tripod stand, a microphone for podcasting recording, and a user's manual and free technical support as well. So let's take a look at this. Don't mind my voice, trying to lose it. So here's the box that it comes in. Just a plain brown box. So let's get into it. We're going to unbox this, and I'm going to try and give a little sound test with this as well. So the first thing you get is your user's guide here. And this is going to tell you how to set everything up on here, how to mount it, and everything you need to know that you get with the kit here. So we're going to put this over to the side for now. I may need it later. And you get another little paper. So here is your filter. As you can see, your pop filter here. Get that little bit out of there. And this is where you mount it to your stand. Now, this is the first time I've ever had a microphone like this, so this is something new to me. So you get your mount where you're going to mount it on your desk, your table, or wherever you want to mount it. You also get your microphone. Has a little weight to it, very nice. This is going to be sweet. Here's the front of it. See, you got your volume, you got a little branding there, and here's the bottom of it here. Nice microphone there. Let's see what we got here. So this is a little tripod stand, which is nice. Very small, man, but nice. Has a metal feel to it, metal build. And here is your mount for your microphone. So this is made out of plastic. Shock mount, they call it. So we'll put that there. And you do get your wind sock. I think that's what these are called, to go over your microphone. You do get your cable, which is 9 point something feet. So there's your cable, very long cable. And then you also get your arm here. So that is your arm. And we're going to go ahead and get all this set up. So I'm going to pause the video, and then we're going to get it connected. Okay, guys, so now that we have all of the pieces unboxed and laid out for the microphone kit here, I'm going to go ahead and put this together on camera here. So if I wanted to use my little tripod here, I would just take this and simply screw this into this like this. If I can get it started here, guys. Just like so. And I could use this microphone just like this and tighten this up, and I could use it as a desk microphone just like so. If I can get the leg spread out here. There you go. I could use it just like that, guys, if you wanted to use it in that manner. But I'm going to go ahead and set it up to be used with the arm, the scissor arm there. So put the little tripod back over here. So this is only used for that. So there's a nut here that you have to unscrew. So we get this unscrewed. and put that over to the side. So you take your mic, drop it in your stand, your mount here, and you just take this nut and tighten it down on here, just like so. So then there it is, just like that. And that's how it would look right there. And then we're gonna take this part and we're gonna drop it on your arm here. If I can get this in the shot. Let's see. All right, just like so. You just go ahead and screw this down on there. So easy to put together, guys. No big deal on this. So here's your, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like mounted in place. So there's the beginning of it there. So now you take your cable and it just goes in the bottom right there. So this does have a little bit of a strap to hold it together there. So here's your USB in, and then here's your end that goes into your microphone at the bottom. But we'll put that as after I get everything on here. Okay, guys, so next we're gonna put the filter, the pop filter on here, and this simply attaches to this top arm here, like so. And you just screw down the nut here, just like this. And I'm gonna show you this whole thing set up, and then we're gonna try and do a little test on it. So you tighten that down, and here you are. You can readjust that. So here it is. And then this is, you can move that out of the way. Put your little sock on here, like so. And you're gonna be looking very professional. Will H, the professional. All right, so you got that much. And then the only thing that's left to do is your mount for this. And this goes over here just like so. So I have to unscrew this and drop it on there just like that, if you guys can see that. And then I'm gonna show you guys a picture of this all together. All right, kind of hard to get all this in camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and mount it and show you guys what this look like, and then we're gonna try and do a little test on it. Okay, guys, so I have the mic hooked up, and I'm using a pop filter here, and I'm using the arm that it came with. And as you can see, I'm talking right here. The volume is pretty low right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and slowly increase it and see how it changes. As you can see, I do have an app on my Google Pixel Go that I'm using to record this. So right now we're about halfway on the volume. As you can see, the graph is going up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to about 75%. And let's see what this sounds like. As you can see, the graph is going higher. So I'm gonna go ahead and max it out. So this is max volume, and I'll get a chance to see how it sounds after in post. So let's go ahead and back it back down. So right now we're back at about half right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and drop it all the way back down. So this is about quarter volume, and I'm about 3 or 4 inches away from the mic. Hopefully it sounds well. Now I'm gonna back up from the mic. And now I'm about 1 foot away. Now we're gonna drop the volume all the way down. As you can see, so that's all the way that's bottom out right there, just about. I'm 1 foot away. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up some more. Right there, we're about 1/4. This is about halfway. And this is 75%. And now we're at 100% on the volume gain on the mic. I'm gonna bring it back to halfway or 1/4. I think that's gonna probably be, we'll try it there. So what I'm gonna do next, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and just use the mic along with this windsock, and then we'll check it out like that. So stand by, guys. Okay guys, so now I'm using it with the little tripod, and as you can see, I'm sitting about a foot away. Well, not quite a foot away. The volume is at about half, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume back to about a quarter, and we can check it out right here. I'm talking at normal pitch on my voice, and I'm going to bring it all the way down. So that's just about at the lowest percentage right there, and you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it all the way up to 75%. So that's about 75% of max volume right there. And then I'm going to bring it all the way up, and we can tell, just check out the volume on it, see how it sounds. So I'm going to take it back to about halfway, and then we'll wrap this up. Okay, guys, so that has been a look at the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone. This is the T669 mic, and I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.